Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know we got to talk about yesterday's whispers. So yesterday, had quite a few of them on my list. The first one was the E-minis, the futures. Remember I showed you a ton of volume that came in at 7 o'clock in the morning. You know, look, getting here early, the early bird definitely catches the worm because we were short in this market yesterday. If you recall, I was bearish on the ES below 2084. And look, you can see it's coming down to 2062. Looking very weak. It does have some support at around this 2060-62 area from a couple weeks ago. So definitely watch that level. If we break down through that, there's definitely a lot more room to go on the downside. Also yesterday, right, had my eye on BABA. If you recall, we spotted that really nice print pre-market at about 82, right? And I said, look, that's the level today. If we break below that, very bearish. You can see this thing completely collapsed all the way down to 78. Tanya, a newbie in the room, rocked BABA. So great trading there, Tanya, using options. Also yesterday, I told you to keep an eye on Microsoft after spotting tremendous prints, 10 million shares. I tweeted that the day before at $53.45, $53.50. You can see it came down to retest that print area, which is a very popular pattern. And look at that huge run it had there yesterday. So it had a really nice run. And also I told you JCPenney, I spotted selling, refreshing on the offer from ARCA pre-market. Bearish on this guy, and you can see it came all the way down. A lot of my traders were shorting this one as well. So on Monday, you know, I called for a correction in the market after seeing tons and tons of dark pool selling across the board on the SPY, the Qs, and the Russell. And after seeing some buying coming in on the VXX, looks like the market is continuing to move lower. Yesterday, hardly any prints, you guys. We spotted about 2 million on the SPY at 208.39, and you can see we are well below that. I expect to see a lot of late selling from yesterday. If we do, I will definitely take pictures and post it up for you. But the stocks that I'm watching today, have my eye on a couple of them. First of all, the Cowboy called this one out. Love it, Cowboy. Love when my traders call out great trades. He loves BP on the short side, and I agree with you. There's definitely room to go on. This is a swing trade. I'm bearish below this 34 level, right? First target the Cowboy has is $33.50. You can see the 50s there should take a bounce. Then it has some more downward room down to about this 32.50 area, 32.75. All right, give or take a couple of pennies. I still see more room if she breaks down below 32.50 all the way to this lower end 30 level. So definitely level to level. Watch this guy. Also, have my eye on MT this morning. You can see in my block trade indicator, quite a few prints are coming in. 503, 498, 498. Definitely the most action here. So I'm going to be bearish below 503 and 498. No thinking. All right, this thing definitely has room to go down. Now look at the low of this candle right here, 496. So this is a really big area. If we break down through this, there's a lot of room to go on the downside there. All right, also have my eye on HIMEX. After earnings play up, she's popping already. Sometimes these guys move before the open, but definitely saw buying at the 625 level. There's some more room to go. This looks like a gap and go. 665 area is really where there's nice resistance. As you can see, this simple 30 moving average. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more along with my fantastic traders. But before I go, I gotta tell you, the trader of the day yesterday goes to Terry, aka the Tiger. TNA for 60 cents. TZA, 85 cents. FASERYDRN. GE's been in that long-term swing since my last year's Master Swing class. He was hot. So fantastic trading, Terry. Thanks for calling out your trades. Come watch us trade in the Java Pit Trading Room. www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.